Tool groupies, what you're looking at is the inside of a big industrial size dryer. As you can see, down there's where the lint trap goes. Here's where this big old tub here goes that I'm working on today. We had a problem. The tub was going around and it was binding up and it was scratching the hell out of the faceplate, the front door and the sides of it, and then it was dropping at the floor. These big spider arms right here go on the back. You can go to Facebook and check out the Backwoods Hippie Garage and you'll see what this thing looks like whole. It's got these big spider arms. Check the welds on it, make sure the shaft's not broke. It's got a little bit of a stress fracture around the inside of the shaft, so I'm going to take it and have it welded at a machine shop, and then we're going to put some shims in the right place and measure this thing up from the shaft to the corner. Is the only way you can really measure these to make sure it's even, because it has to be about perfectly straight before you put it back in here, and then put two different bearings on it, put your big wheel on it, your belts on it. Then it has the adjustments that you got to adjust back and forth, up and down, left and right, to make sure it works. And if it don't work, you got to pull it right back out and try it again, because it's been scraping in a few different places. So chances are that tub has enough weight on it to where when it's going around, it's dropping that shaft down. But this is a Milner fire suppressive system. What we're working on here today. And of course, this is the back half of the dryer. You got the bottom belt and motor, which essentially hooks to the fan. It pulls that belt, the other belt's going the outside, the other wheel goes up top around the shaft, and those two bolt heads you see right there, you got to push them in or pull them out, tighten them or loosen them so it'll go left or right. Tighten those bolts up. It's got a big pin right there to hold it in place, so the bearing is attached. It's got a front and back bearing. These are the bearings. It's got two of them, an inner and an outer. Now one of them could possibly be bad. We're going to clean them up, test them out, make sure all that stuff's good. If not, we're going to have to replace a bearing. But it's easier to pull one of these off and replace it than to pull the tub out. So